How to earn points on Scout. Are you guys facing issue to earn points on Scout? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To earn points on Scout, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, there are several ways to earn points. Daily checking. Open the app every day and check the check-in button to get points. Completing the task. Participate in app activities like updating your profile, verifying your account, or exploring features. Watching live stream. Some streamers reward viewers with points for interacting during broadcast. Inviting friends. Share your friend referral link. When friends sign up, you earn points. You can track your points in the reward or points sections of the app and use them to send gifts, boost your profile, or unlock premium features. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna get points on Scout application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.